Here's a little hack if you're starting a cannabis brand in 2023. So a little thing that I observed in launching one of my brands, if you really want to get out there and connect with the right people, pay attention to who those people you want to connect with are in your area, in your industry, and see who they're getting their photography done, their video and photography work done. And most likely, they're going to tag those people, and those videos and photographer people are going to have their own IG and their own way to contact through their website or whatever the case may be. So reach out to them, book a session with them, no matter how much they charge. They're obviously doing quality work if top-tier brands and other influencers are using them. And this is the objective of this attack. It's got to be the photographer that's connected to these people. So hire them to do a photo shoot, for your brand, to do a video shoot for you, whatever the case may be, whatever their expertise is. And then in that case, build some rapport with them, show them what your brand's about, get them on board, show them that you're really there to deliver a quality brand to the people. And when they see that you're there, you're invested in your brand, and they're on board for the brand, and they see your quality and your dedication, now you can start talking to them about future photo shoots, about future projects, and mention, hey, who do you got in your network? Maybe some influencers we can do cross promotions with. I saw that you were doing photo shoots at this event. Maybe we can get a sponsorship opportunity at that event.